Welcome. If you're looking to delete your expanded bio on X, formerly known as Twitter, from your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process, making it quick and simple. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu. This is where you'll find most of your navigation options. Click on your profile icon or your profile name from the left side menu. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all your personal details and posts. Next, look for the Edit Profile button, which is usually located near the top right of your profile page. Click on it to enter editing mode, where you can update your profile information. Now, find the section labeled Expanded Bio. This is where any additional information about you is stored, separate from your main bio. Hover over or click into this section, and you'll notice a small delete icon, often represented by a trash can, next to your About or Expanded Bio content. Click on the delete icon. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to remove this information. This step is important to prevent accidental deletions, so make sure you really want to erase your expanded bio before proceeding. After you confirm, your expanded bio will be deleted from your profile. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the edit mode. This ensures that your profile updates are applied and your expanded bio is gone for good. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your expanded bio on X using your PC. Keeping your profile updated and tidy is easy when you know where to look and what to click. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand managing their profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.